All right, so just the last couple of little examples. Our change of base has really come about because our CAS, once upon a time, couldn't evaluate logs unless they were base 10, base 2, and base E, basically. Yeah, so what we're saying that the change of base law is if I can turn any expression, so let's just go like that. So I might have log, I don't know, base 3, 4. I can turn that into log base any number I want. It could be 10, 3, 7, 12, it doesn't matter. I can make it log base 10, 4, which is the log number, over log base 10, 3, which is the current base number. And now my calculator could evaluate that, okay? Now it's great because I can just put log base 3, 4 into the CAS and get an answer. So if we just make use of that transformation knowledge, all right, first one here says if P is equal to log base 5 of X, find the following in terms of P. So I need to find out what X is. So if I just use my normal log transformation, if P is equal to log base 5 of X, log base 5 of X, 5 to the power of P is going to be equal to X. And so there's my expression, X is equal to 5 to the power of P. The next one there, I want to find that expression in terms of P, which means really I need to incorporate log base 5X somehow. So I've got log base X of 81. If I turn that into a log base 5 expression, it's log base 5 of 81 over log base 5 of X. I know log base 5 of X is P, and log base 5 of 81 is just some constant term. So as an expression involving P, I could have 1 on P, log base 5 of 81. The final one here is a throwback to an old exam question. So again, I've got all these different logs and bases, and I need to incorporate 1 over somehow. So if I think about log base CA, the first expression, if I turn them into log base A, I'll end up with a log base A on the top. Sorry, log base AA on the top, which is 1. So I will get my 1 over log base AC, which coincides with one of my terms. If I check the next one, log base AB, what if I make that a log base B expression? So I get log base BB over log base BA. Again, I get my 1 over log base BA. And then obviously if I do the same thing to my log base C, log base BC, I get a log base CC over log base CB, and again 1 over. So I get an expression there of B. So look, it's not the kind of question that pops up much these days because we don't use the log change of base transformation very often, but it sometimes makes some calculations a little bit simpler.